Hello everyone. As you have seen in the video, we have installed COVID-19 sample collection booth in our district hospital Mon. I'm here to share about the utility of kiosks to every one of you. First of all, it acts as a physical barrier between the patient and the health worker during sample collection procedure, minimizing the risk of infection. Secondly, this physical barrier gives a sense of security and protection to the health worker during sample collection procedure. And thirdly, there will be reduced and rational use of PPEs. We would like to thank our district administration, led by our Deputy Commissioner for this initiative and sponsorship. And we would also like to thank our colleague Dr. Chenjai for his valuable effort in installing this kiosk. Thank you.